Hello everyone. It's great that there is no bar chord. My name is Akita. I am doing a guitar class for beginners. I want as many people as possible to know the joy of playing music. Today's lesson is Let It Be from the Beatles. If you watch this video to the end, you will be able to play Let It Be on your guitar. Of course, practice is necessary. This channel converts difficult bar chords such as F and BM into simple chords. In addition, lesson videos are released by selecting songs with only simple chords. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the easy version to play when the red ball glows. Let's go.
When I find myself in time of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hope, darkness she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be.
From now on, I will check the code used in Let It Be.
G D E マイナー C
I won't do difficult things. This time, the capo is set to the 5th fret. Here is the strumming.
ジャンジャカジャンジャカジャンジャカジャンジャカですね。ジャンジャカジャンジャカジャンジャカジャンジャカジャンジャカジャンジャカんが弾かないとこね。ジャンジャカジャンジャカジャンジャカジャンジャカ1と2と3と4と1と2と3と4と
Here is the strumming. I gave a lesson on Let It Be from the Beatles today. If you can play Let It Be on the guitar, please show me on YouTube. The guitar class for beginners is enrolled by subscribing to the channel. I hope you can enjoy the guitar more. Thank you very much. Bye bye.